Hi, it's Melissa Salmon here from PhysioMentor. You're probably watching this video because you've either hired a graduate within your business and they're not performing up to expectations, or you've put the feelers out for a new job role in your business and you've found that there's been a lack of senior clinicians that have applied for the role and a real influx of graduates, and you're not sure how you're going to deal with that if you happen to hire one of those into your business. It's a common frustration for private practice owners these days because what we're finding, and the research is telling us as well, is that we're seeing a decline at a certain age group in our profession. So we're losing a lot of our senior clinicians from the industry when they hit a certain point in their career, but we're seeing an influx of graduates that are stepping straight into private practice from university, and their first year in their job is in a privatised model. And that was something that wasn't happening a couple of years ago. Most graduates were going into a hospital role, doing their rounds in the hospital, and then they were, after that year, progressing into private practice. So there's been a change in the industry and a change in private practice, and we need to move with the times and create an environment that these graduates can flourish in and thrive in when they step into our businesses. So the common frustrations is that yes, we've got graduates coming into our businesses. We have a lack of senior clinicians that are able to train and mentor them and give them feedback. And of course, us as business owners really don't have the time to be doing that when we're taking the time to run our own businesses. Secondly, we have no programs. There's nothing on the market as such that is structured and systematic that you can take and implement in your business today to train a graduate specific for working in a private practice. And thirdly, we just have no time to develop such a program. You know, by the time you look after staff and run your business, there's no time to sit down and nut out a graduate development program that would be best utilised in your business. So the problem is that we're seeing graduates come to us straight from university, and the university curriculum is jam-packed at the moment, and it doesn't have the ability to train some of the skills that are needed to work in private practice. And those type of skills include dealing with work cover or compensable bodies, writing a GP's report or specialist report, creating a recurrent clientele, selling stock, customer service, marketing and promotion. So all those type of things are not taught at university, but they're very important in private practice in order to have a profitable clinician. We also find that these graduates have excellent clinical skills. They're great at assessment, but they lack in clinical reasoning and being able to know when to get people to come back, how frequently they need to be treating a patient, and then also from there, what to do when something starts to go wrong and the patient's not responding to treatment, how to best manage that. So we as private practice owners have to create a model for these graduates to step into our businesses and learn within the first year how to be a private practitioner. So how do we do it at PhysioMentor? Well, with technology, we've created a remote learning system for graduates that step into private practice. So we have unlimited email access, we use phone, we use Skype, we use video feedback in consultations, which then gives us the opportunity to have reflection and feedback time with a graduate about in rooms, how they're working with a patient and what they're saying. We also create a community of graduates that can talk about their frustrations and have familiar experiences that others are having difficulty with in other practices, and bringing that together with private practices and private practice owners so they can talk about the problems and then come up with solutions. We also provide webinars, video tutorials, and we have a really great learning portal that's just for graduates in private practice. And we'll talk a little bit more about that in a moment. So the programs that we have on offer at PhysioMentor are, number one is the tailored one-on-one mentoring program, which is designed for private practices that just want someone to come in and learn the culture of your business, have a discussion with you, the business owner, and design a specific program for your business to train graduates. So it becomes a system that stays within the business and transcends the graduates, so that each and every graduate that comes through your business gets this training so they become more productive, more profitable, and really get fast-tracked into being a private practitioner. Our second program is the 12-week Graduate to Private Practitioner program, which we run a couple of times a year, and that's designed to really encompass the major clinical components of clinical and business knowledge that a graduate needs to survive in private practice and hit the ground running and really perform to expectations. And the final program that we offer is access to our graduate learning portal, so that your graduates can have worksheets, templates, exercise sheets for common conditions, rehabilitation protocols, really a set of guidelines that enables them to streamline their consultations and better manage their time within your business, so that they're not having to design all these things. They're already done for them, and it gives them a real template to work off in starting in private practice, because it can be very busy and it can be very overwhelming to start with. The proof is that I myself am a business owner, and our business is in a rural area, and we've always struggled to get senior experienced clinicians. So we've always hired graduates, and we've had the PhysioMentor program running for quite some time now. And the proof is that we've found the benefits of the program is that we have a system that we have structured and used within our business for many years to train each graduate that comes through. So they all get the same training, and we know that they're ready for private practice. The next is the benefits to your business revenue. Having staff that are meeting expectations, meeting KPIs, selling stock, and know about marketing and promotion for your business is vital to the bottom line. And let's face it, we have to have employees that are profitable within our business. And the last is being an attraction tool. Being in a rural area, we've always found it hard to attract staff, but what we find now is the word's getting out about this program, and we have graduates coming to us and wanting to spend their first year in our business because we offer this program and we offer a very structured system, and they can gain all the skills they need to work really well in a private practice. And that's really important, because then we get to choose from the best graduates that there are, and it becomes a great recruitment tool. So I'd recommend that you go to our website, www.physiomentor.biz, and there sign up to our email list, because we're offering a free graduate development program template. So for those of you that are not quite sure where to start or what should be implemented into a program in your business, we're offering you a free template to get you started, and you can see how much time is needed to be put into a graduate and what areas need to be developed. The second thing we offer is a weekly email with lots of strategies and tips, and also interviews from other private practices about how they're best managing their graduates in their business. We also have a free resources page that is available for private practices and graduates to access, that has some great resources on templates and protocols to be used for your graduate in your business. If you would like to discuss more about these programs with us at PhysioMentor, then you can contact us by phoning us on 07 3103 3490, or you can email us at support@physiomentor.biz, and we'd be more than happy to discuss with you how we can help your graduate fit into your business.